server. Okay, processor. Up to one Intel Xeon E2200 product family processor with up to 8 cores per processor. Up to one Intel Pentium G5420 processor up to 2 cores per processor. Up to one Intel Core i3-9100 processor up to 4 cores per processor. Up to one Intel Celeron G4930 processor up to 2 cores per processor. Operating system. Canonical Ubuntu LTS Citrix Hypervisor. Microsoft Windows Server LTSC with Hyper-V 2016-2019. Red Hat Enterprise Linux, SUSE Linux Enterprise Server, VMware ESXi, and bezel, optional LCD or security bezel. Dimensions and weight height 430.3 millimeters, 16.9. Width 218.00 millimeters, 8.6. Depth 603.0 millimeters, 23.7. Weight 23 kg, 55.67. Dimensions do not include bezels, PSU or tower foot. Dim speed up to 2666 MTS. Memory Ultra Dual Inline Memory Module. Memory module slots 4x DDR dual inline memory module slots. Supported registered error correction DDR4 dual inline memory modules only. Maximum ultra dual inline memory modules 64 GB. Management embedded at the server iDark 9, iDark Reset, iDark RESTful API with Redfish. Consoles Open Manage Enterprise, Open Manage Power Center. Mobility Open Manage Mobile. Tools Dell EMC RADCAM CLI, Dell EMC Repository Manager, Dell EMC System Update, Dell EMC Server Update Utility, Dell EMC Update Catalogs, iDark Service Module, IPMI Tool, Open Manage Server Administrator, Open Manage Storage Services. Open Manage Integrations, DM TrueSight, Microsoft System Center, Red Hat Ansible Modules, VMware vCenter, Open Manage Connections, IBM Tivoli Netpool OMN iBus, IBM Tivoli Network Manager IP Edition, Micro Focus Operations Manager, I am Nagios Core, Nagios XI. Ports network option 1 gigabyte Ethernet, front ports 1 dedicated iDark micro USB, 1 USB 3.0, rear ports 1 serial, 4 USB 2.0, 2 USB 3.0, 1 XVGA, internal ports 1 USB 3.0. Power supplies are 495 watt platinum hot pluggable redundant, 350 watt bronze cable, hot plug power supplies with full redundancy option, PCI Express, 1 Gen 3 slot X16, 2 X Gen 3 slots X8, 1 X Gen 3 slot X1 video card, 1 VGA. Storage front bays up to 3 X3.5 SATA SAS HDD solid state drive, maximum 112 terabyte, also supports up to 8x 2.5 SATA hard drive in 3.5 hybrid drive carrier. Storage controllers, internal controllers, PERC H3330H, 7330HB, A330. External controller non-RAID, 12 gigabits per second SAS HBA, software RAID S140. Internal boot optimized storage subsystem BOSS. 2x M2 240 gig RAID, 1 or no RAID. 1x M 2.240 gig, non-RAID only. Internal dual SD module, security cryptographically signed firmware, silicon root or trust, secure boot, secure erase, system lockdown required open managed enterprise, TPM 1.2, 2.0, TCM 2.0 optional form factor tower server. Entry-level server for an office environment. Server can be rack mounted. This server can run Windows Server 2016 and Server and 2019. Can be configured to run Active Directory, file server, thin client, and remote desktop services. Supported memories include 108,066 MHz, 2,133 MHz, 2,400 MHz, 2,666 MHz. H840 external controller for direct touch storage using Dell PowerVault MD14XX series only products. Supported GPUs 1x NVIDIA NVS 3310, 1x NVIDIA Quattro P4000. V flashcard applications, backup and restore the platform if you need to replace the motherboard, download a custom image and instruct BIOS to boot to it, storage for the local OS user. So I hope you liked this review of the Dell PowerEdge T340 server, and thank you for listening. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.